Hey guys, this is Dion. Welcome to my first DIY video. Today we'll be doing a side table we got for free in Craigslist. First of all, you want to sand the top of it with a 60 grit sandpaper. And you may want to finish with 100 grit sandpaper to get that really smooth finish. This is how the top should look like. Next, we're going to be doing the sides. Make sure not to scrape off really hard because you might ruin the sides of your table. I'm really doing well with the sides, but there's a trick to it to make it much more easier and efficient. You may need a pencil or a pen, then fold sandpaper on it and use it to scrape off the edges. And now we're all done sanding the top part. Now we'll be applying our carbon gray stain. Make sure to brush lightly and do not leave any residue behind. For this makeover, we decided to let the stain on. It is not recommended by most people, but for us, we felt like it gave much more bolder color. And make sure to let it dry for 24 hours. Next is taping the table. You may want to use a masking tape or preferably a painter's tape to make sure that during the spraying process it won't hit the top part of the table. We're almost done. Now we'll be using a chalk linen white spray paint. I'm actually not good with spray paint, I just realized in this video, so you may want to use a flat paint in some parts of the table. Letting the paint set, unscrew the handles off the drawer. Next, we'll be sanding the front part of the drawer. Next is we're going to apply stain in the front part of the drawer. Also, we were not able to capture it on video, but we decided to paint the insides white. Next is we'll be doing the handles. We'll be using the hammered paint and primer, silver, because it really highlights the gray and white color. Make sure to get all the sides of the handle evenly. This is the finished look of our product. The white and the gray looks really well together, plus the silver handle makes it look so classic. And this project took 2 days to finish. If you liked the video, please click thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more of our videos. Thank you so much for watching.